Making your resume shine will get you at least a job interview. This is Gloria Campbell with Advantage Training Systems in St. Petersburg, Florida, giving you ideas on how to make your resume shine. One of the first things I'm going to tell you is to make sure that you keep your type simple, not a lot of serifs, not very fancy type, very readable, and that it's a great size. So when you're considering putting together your resume, this is not the time to be innovative in using some new typeface. Use something very standard like a Time New Romans or Courier. A typeface is very readable. Normally 10 to 12 points is a great idea. And also make sure that you include all of the right information. Name, address, telephone number, email address. Include on there your objective statement in addition to any accomplishments and educational requirements. Work history is one of those other areas. Depending on what your work history is like, will determine what format you use for your resume. But creating that really resume that's going to shine and attract attention starts with making sure that you have good type elements and you have good content in your resume. I'm Gloria Campbell with Advantage Training Systems in St. Petersburg, Florida, giving you a way to make your resume shine.